Be blessed by the divine. How does work affect a Kundalini Sakthi for a human being? Every human being enjoys a few tasks, few jobs, few different types of work. If you ask me, I do not enjoy certain types of jobs. For instance, if you give me a routine job to do, a managerial job to do, a mundane task to do, a job that requires a daily follow-up, I will be a huge failure in that. I'm not made like that. I enjoy creativity, I enjoy prosperity, I enjoy sales, I enjoy marketing to some extent, I enjoy communication, I enjoy teaching, I enjoy talking to people, listening to their problems, helping them solve their own problems. I like to facilitate. That's me. That's what I'm born to do, and that's what I enjoy doing. And therefore, the chemicals that my body produces, whenever I enjoy the work that I do, enables me to remain harmonious in myself. This is true for you. This is true for your children, brother, sister, father, mother, husband, wife, everybody else that you know in your life. Because each person is interested in only a few jobs. It's easy to find out. For instance, today a person came to me, and this boy is a college kid, I think, and he is not interested in his studies. So I asked him, why are you not interested in your studies? What do you like to do? He said, I like to play games. Okay, great. You like to play games. Fantastic. That's good. But do you think can you survive on just playing games? Well, I can, but then there are thousands of people competing for me in my games. I'm not that good in my games. I enjoy the games, and I don't think I can take that up as a profession. Fair enough. Well done. Very good. Good decision. Now, what do you think you really enjoy doing? I like to play music. I like to create music. I like to be with music. And it is that music that I really enjoy, because I like to do music for hours together. But whereas if you ask me to study, I study for half an hour and I get bored and I go away from there. Now, isn't it great that he actually knows what he enjoys doing? The fellow is born to be a musician, and his father also come along with him. And I asked him, is there anything wrong if he enjoys only music? He said, no, I'm very happy if he becomes a musician. I'm more than happy. There is certainly a good career in music. It's a difficult career, but it's not a extremely difficult career, or it cannot something that can not feed him. He can certainly be successful in that career if he takes it up. So he went back feeling so good. He said, I really want to study. I want to continue my studies. I don't want to stop it. I want to enjoy music, and I want to enjoy my studies as well. Fair enough. Now I gave him an idea. I told him that why don't you think of a particular chapter in your book as a music. Can you associate a tune, for instance, with one particular answer for a question? I said, yeah, that's really what happens to me when I read a problem and I find a solution. One tune comes to me, one raga comes to me, one song comes to me, one particular kind of music comes to my mind, and I always think that it is that music. But then what do you do with it? I don't do anything about it. I ignore the music and I try to concentrate on my books, and I don't get that. I don't get to understand that particular subject. I don't remember the answer also. I said, now, from today, don't ignore that music. Now you tell yourself that this answer is this music. Now you associate the music with the answer. You associate the answer with the music. You visualize how the answer will play out to be lyrics for the music if it can. Now you make up your own song out of that answer, your song out of that music. Take your guitar and start playing with that particular tune in mind with the answer in mind. So you made a song out of this answer, and you have made a nice beautiful tune out of it, and you remember songs very well, you remember tunes very well, and therefore you will remember the answer also very well. You do this for 10, 20, 30, 40 answers, then it will become a second nature, second habit for you. Whenever you read a book, you automatically, it will convert into a nice beautiful song for you, which you will enjoy anyway, and therefore you will feel like reading more and more about the same subject, because now this is no more a dry, boring subject, but it is related to a beautiful, interesting, exciting, energetic music for you. How do you like that? He got so excited, he thanked me profusely, and he went, and now I'm sure that this boy is going to be really successful, because he's going to be doing exactly what work will produce the right set of chemicals for him in his body. Work plays a huge role. Therefore, a Kundalini yogi will observe himself and find out what sort of jobs really are enjoyable for him. His thing to do is to take a piece of paper, take a pen, and write down 10 things that you enjoy doing on a daily basis. Every day for the rest of your life, if you have to do only those 10 things, what will those be? Then out of the 10 things, pick those that will solve the problem, preferably a huge problem, preferably a big problem, preferably for many people, thousands and millions of people. If you can solve problems with your skill set that you enjoy using on a daily basis, then the society will take care of you. They will give you money. They will ensure that you will be successful in your life. Now, from this video, I would like to thank at least one person who has contributed for my channel, who has contributed in terms of kind, in terms of money, so that, I pray for them, and it will also be a nice way for me to say a thanks to them. And I hope you understand how to make your life interesting and beautiful and enjoyable for you. Whether you learn meditation or not, this is a great thing to do. In this video, I like to thank Mrs. Eswar for contributing to this particular video, and she has been a great source of inspiration for me. If you don't know who she is, I think you already guessed. Yes, she is my wife. Thank you very much, and let's see you on the next video. Be blessed by the divine.